Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting on 1 hour, let's focus on the CME gap possibility first. So we had that gap possibility starting from the end of 24th and now opening again here today or last night. We did not have or form any gap, so we can continue basically the price action we started from the 24th. So we can just delete the CME. So usually on the weekends there is going to be some kind of gap. That can be some kind of good play to take early on. But overall, let's take a look at the structure we've had here. I had again two different counts here. This one saying we had a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have two different alterations for this structure over here, having a triangle or just a wave 4 in here. I'll just delete one of these as they are serving the same purpose of having this as a 1, 2, 3. So there's no use to having two different counts having the same ending point of wave 3 down here at around 17.6k. Now both of these were expecting the wave 4, so at this point this still looks okay as for a wave 4 coming. In the other indices, US market indices, we have already most likely created this structure as such, and this structure over here has retraced more than 50% of this whole structure move, so they would be already down here or up here with price. So Bitcoin is very lagging at the moment in price, and yeah, it is looking very weak overall. I'm not sure if crypto holders or crypto investors are now a bit more skittish, but we'll see what happens in the future or soon. But again, that is one scenario. Again, the other one, as mentioned, was that we had already confirmed, or not confirmed, but created this bottom of this wave 5. We did have that divergence on the 3rd and 5th, even higher time frames. We can see that there is definitely divergence between these two lows. We have basically buy signals, well, not a signal per se, but multiple indicators saying that there is oversold conditions down here, and yeah, that is a good possible buy scenario. Overall, if we were playing this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we did have that divergence plus these background color changes on my indicator, and then we would be looking for higher prices. Now overall, what this can be, the next structure here, we'll see. Let's get into the 1 hour scenario and check it out. So we have very overlapping structures overall. There is a possibility of creating this into a 5-way setup, which I'll present you next. But before that, to me, this looks very good as a 3-way move here into W, 3 waves into X, and 3 waves here into wave W. W of this micro, completing that sub-micro Y here as well. So again, that brings us to the 1-to-1 extension of this W, X, and Y around the 21.6k area. Then we have a 3-way move down here into the X wave, and now we would be looking for possible wave Y. Now the issue here is, well, not too much an issue, but again, the retracement is very shallow. We do not even tag the 0.5 here. So it is possible, just based off of this structure alone here, that this whole structure would be something like this. As this is very overlapping, I don't think we can, well, of course, as we are expecting wave Y on this count, we could be expecting some kind of 3-way move like this. Again, 1-to-1 around 23.88 is our main target. The minimum target we need to get to is 22.3, according to this count at least. So yeah, those are my targets. Again, this is very overlapping structures. There's not really much going on in price. Not very much on my indicator either saying we have any setups here. We do have some kind of divergence here on 1 hour. What is that? I think this is higher. So yeah, a continuation divergence basically, but not much. We'll see if it plays out at all, or if this is just something, I don't know, I'm not even sure. It is just a mess here, and that's why I didn't cover this yesterday either. There's just nothing really happening. I'm not trading this at all at the moment. I'm still on my shorts though from higher, but I'm not taking long shorts around this area. Now the bull setup, saying that we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In 3 we would have this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is an okay look, although the one or the third is getting right around the 1.618, but not quite. So yeah, it makes it less likely to be a 5-way move to me. Now this would get us to wave 1 or A, then we would be looking again 3-way down. Either it is this or it is this. Now we have started to take a lot of time here on this whole structure, so saying that this wave B or wave 2 is coming in and has not completed around these lows at 19.8k and 22nd of June is getting less and less likely, to be honest. If we compare the time it took to create wave 1 to the time it took to create this possible wave 2 here, we have already taken 2 times more time than for the wave 1 or A wave. So it is less likely. But if we want to be saying that we have a wave 3, 4, and 5 coming, or even a C wave, I feel like we have to be doing this. I don't see us having these as 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Is way too bullish for me, unfortunately. But we'll see again. Of course it is possible, but not very likely. But that is pretty much everything I wanted to share today on Bitcoin. Not much going on. If you have other accounts you would like to share, there's a link to my Discord server in the description below. Also, if you would like me to update a certain other asset, let me know in the comments below. But for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.